Is that better?
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Very good.
I've never done this before, so
No problem. I haven't either. On the record here in the Kelsey Wilson versus Fred Riddle, this is file number 2013-3023 DS, as well as file number 14930 DM, Fred Riddle versus Michelle Riddle. Mr. Riddle, I've got you at 1405 Blair Park Drive in Jackson. Is that correct?
yes, sir.
Our caseworker will summarize the status of each of these files, and I'll give you an opportunity to respond after their presentation. Okay, Ms. LaFontaine.
Referee Manser, on the 2013 docket, this is a current charging case with a monthly obligation of $88, which is $20.23 per week. The total account balance is $1,036. The last payment received was on 5/13/2020 in the amount of $326, which is an involuntary payment. Prior to that, there was a payment on 4/24/2019 in the amount of $15.41. It does appear per the note that Mr. Riddle has some recent medical issues and a possible pending Social Security claim. On the 2014 docket, the current charge, monthly charge is $198, which is $45.52 per week. The total account balance is $2,857.37. The last payment made on that docket was on 5/13/2020 in the amount of $874, which was an involuntary payment.
Very good. Mr. Riddle, what can you tell me about your current employment situation?
Currently I'm still trying to file for Social Security disability.
When did you last work? When did you last work?
When did I last work? 2019 in February.
And where did you work?
I want to say it was McDonald's.
Okay, and how long did you work there?
2 weeks, and then I ended up getting a blood clot and was hospitalized.
Okay. And when did you leave employment at McDonald's? What month of what year?
In February of 2019.
Okay. What income do you have?
Currently none.
How do you provide for your own food, clothing, and shelter, necessities of life if you have no income?
I live in income-based housing, and pretty much the rent is free. Family helps me out with like my electric bill and stuff like that for right now. And then like clothing, I still have family helps me out until I can.
So you're relying solely on family, is that right, for financial assistance?
Yes.
Do you receive any sort of food stamps or cash
Yes,
assistance, anything like
I
that?
do.
Pardon me?
Yes, I do. I receive food stamps.
uh, allegation that you've applied for Social Security disability. Is that true?
Yes.
When did you apply?
August of 2018.
And what was the result of that application?
I got denied. I currently uh got denied last month, and I reappealed to have a hearing with a judge.
Okay, so you're denied back in August of 18. You were denied then, and did you file an appeal then or
Yes.
soon thereafter?
Yes.
Okay, what's the status of the appeal?
Right now I am. One second. Um, Waiting on a judge to give me a court date.
Okay, do you have an attorney?
Currently no. I'm got a list of attorneys that I'm looking at. They gave me through the state.
Have you received recent documentation indicating the status of your claim, your appeal?
Yes, I have.
What's the date of the documentation?
June 19th, 2020.
And what does it basically say?
Thank you for the request of a hearing before a lawful judge. This letter explains the process that you should know. We will notify you within 75 days of hearing. The notice will provide you with the time and place of the hearing. Generally, process requests for a hearing by date order within the oldest receiving priority. We will schedule your hearing as soon as we can, which may take several months.
Okay, and what's the nature of your disability?
I have my legs are pretty much shot, and then I also had some stuff going on with my head where I had infection in my ear leaking down into my brainstem. So I get dizzy a lot.
Okay. You have a regular family physician?
Yes, I do.
And who diagnosed you with the vertigo and the bad legs?
There's been many doctors. I've been through a lot of doctors. Right now I currently see Dr. Rizwan up at Center for Family Health.
Okay. All right. Yeah, do you have any other health problems other than the bad legs and the dizziness?
COPD, diabetes.
Okay. Anything else?
And then I do have some mental issues too. So
Have you been diagnosed with emotional problems?
yes, I have.
Are you on medication?
Yes, I am.
You taking it?
Yes, I am.
Is it helpful?
Yes, it does.
Okay. How old are you, Mr. Riddle?
I'm sorry.
How old are you?
I am 34 years old.
Single, married, or what?
Divorced.
So you're single.
Yes.
Do you have any other children other than Caden? Oh, yes, you do. You've got Shauna and Tasha. Is that right?
Yes.
Do you have any other children other than those three children?
No, I don't.
Okay. Can you work, in your opinion?
I've tried. I used to work in a factory, and I went from working in a factory, and I tried to work at restaurants to see if I could do it. But every time I work, I would end up getting a blood clot in my legs, and I end up going to the hospital for a couple of weeks. Because they would almost move up to my lungs and stuff. So.
Okay. All right. Anything else that you'd like me to know about your current circumstances?
Um, No, that's about it.
All right. Any suggestions? Ms. LaFontaine?
My suggestion would be an adjournment to monitor this pending claim.
Okay. We're going to, have you supplied our office, Mr. Riddle, with any brief written documentation verifying your issues, your health issues?
I did once already.
Uh-huh.
I had a doctor write up a note for you guys.
Okay. All right. And when did you do that?
That was beginning of this year.
Okay. And they were fairly recently dated documentations?
It, not since it was like February of this year when I gave you guys that one.
Okay.
And she wrote it out for, just you guys.
All right. All right. I'm going to do an order reserving or stopping your current child support charges. All these arrearages that have accrued are still due and payable by you, Mr. Riddle. We're going to set this out maybe a couple, 2-3 months to see exactly the status of your Social Security claim.
Okay.
And, I guess I'll just defer to our caseworkers' review of that documentation. And it'll be a situation wherein you shall provide the most updated written documentation from Social Security by a certain date, okay? And then if you've not received any, let us know that fact. And if you have, provide that to us so we're better informed as to what's going on with you, okay?
Yes, sir.
Any questions?
I do have a question. Now, in the case order with me and Michelle for Tasha and Shauna, I
Right?
have custody of Shauna, and Michelle has custody of Tasha. Is there any way I could get the child support? I don't know. We both pay child support for both kids.
Well, we have you currently obligated to pay support for both Shauna and Tasha.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that shouldn't be right.
Why is it wrong? Tell me,
I have full custody of Shauna.
did you get an order that says that?
Yeah, that was the last court hearing that we had.
Okay. And when did the order enter giving you custody of Shauna?
I've had custody of both. I've had custody of both girls since I did have custody of both girls since 2012. No,
My question is, do you have an order that gives you physical custody of Shauna?
Yes, I do.
And when did it enter?
Don't know. I don't know where my order is right now, but I've had custody of Shauna and Tasha for almost 6 years. About a year ago or 2 years ago, she filed a motion to get custody of Tasha.
Okay, we're going to research the issue regarding the custody status on those two specific kids, and we'll go from there in terms of letting you know what our system shows, okay?
Okay.
All right, okay. Any other questions?
No.
Could you resubmit the documentation from your doctors in terms of your health situation?
Yes, I can go back down and get another letter
All
from
right. Very good. All right, keep an eye on the mailbox, so the order will encompass the situation that we find ourselves in here today. Okay, Mr. Riddle?
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Go off the record. Bye-bye.